Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Brentwood. Your dream home awaits in a serene, exclusive, privately gated enclave, nestled on an idyllic 5 acres, 3 canopied lot. Brentwood, known for its privacy and tranquility, is home to 12 uniquely crafted homes. This is a rare opportunity to make this coveted Norbrook estate your own. A luxurious home laid out over 7,000 square feet. It optimizes natural light and airflow and accommodates 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, each with a private balcony. Upon entry, an ornate wrought iron staircase clad in crème colored marble matching the floors greets you with open arms. On one side is a powder room, family room with full bath, home office, and the gym. On the other, a living area expands out to a patio, a dining area, served by a well appointed kitchen. The closet behind the stair, which converts to an elevator shaft for your retirement needs. Upstairs, the primary suite is a masterpiece. Separate his and hers vanities and walk through closets. Culminate in an expansive bathroom, complete with custom marble detailing, staff accommodations, storeroom, generator, drying yard, and the space for a lap pool, provided in the backyard. Seeing is believing. Call to view. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 2,025,000 or Jamaican $322.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.